Okay, guys. Let me teach you in a very simple way how you can use CapCut Pro features without having a paid version. I know many of us struggle with paying these applications, yet we want to use them maybe for personal benefits or commercial, but we may not afford to pay for these applications. Those of you who are using CapCut, today I want to show you and teach you the very simplest. I don't know if you understand the word simplest, the very simplest way of how you can use these pro features without paying for them, and you export your video without any problems or challenges or limitations. Okay, now this is my CapCut. I've already launched it. I'm using Mac, but I know many of you may be using Windows or any other option that you may be using. Please, before I dive in this, lesson, I want to request you to subscribe, because when you subscribe, you definitely support. So you just go down there, place that subscription button, subscribe. When you subscribe, you're like supporting. So you support. So subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Okay, now I've launched my CapCut on Mac. As I've told you, I'm using Mac, but don't worry, even if you're using Windows or anything, you just launch your application. So down here, these are the projects I've been working on. Don't mind about that. You just go here where there is create project. Now make sure you already have your videos. You know where you've stored them. You just now like be able to locate them. You can import them here. I'm just going to give you an example, but you'll be using different you know videos. So let me get a video here to express, maybe to show you just okay, let me import this video. Import. All right, this is now the video that we are going to use. Drag your video to the timeline and now choose whatever feature that you want. You know, when you go to transitions, there are pro features here. The difference is, if you see this diamond heart, I mean the diamond icon there, just know that's a pro feature you cannot use without paying it. Now these are transitions. So let's try to split this video. Good, so that we can apply this. And then we can again split the video again here. Wonderful. So we have applied those. Okay, we can again also split here. I'm not teaching you how to use CapCut. I know you already know how to use CapCut. I'm just teaching you how you can export your video with all your premium features. Effects. Let's assume the video that you want to work on must have effects. Let me put this effect here. Okay, up to there. Remember, we're only using these ones with premium features. Let's bring another effect and then we put it here. Okay, up to here. Maybe we can use which other premium feature. Okay, maybe let's bring this here. Okay, all right. Now maybe even other, other premium features you may want to have. Name them. I don't know how many they are, but just name your premium features. All right, now now that we are done, let's assume we are done putting in all the premium features that we want to use in our video. select these clips, all of them. Don't mind about these things because I've disconnected my internet. That's why you're seeing these ones that have not loaded. Don't mind about that. Okay, drag so that you can select all of the clips that you have on your timeline. Select them all. Then you right click, those ones who are using Windows, but for us we do like this. And then after right clicking, you will see among the options on the drop down menu, there is create compound clip. So you click that so that all the clips will be, merged into one. Okay, let me pause a bit so that I put internet and then I come back. Okay, guys. I said select all the clips that you have on your timeline, all of them, and then you right click those ones who are using Windows and those ones who are not using Windows. You know how to get the right option, and then you say create. You create like all the clips, everything on your timeline will be joined together to have one piece or one item. Then after, you again go back in the right click, and then you choose pre-process compound clip. Pre-process compound clip. Then definitely it will start process. Give it time. It depends on the length of the video that you're working on. Give it time for it to process. It will be counting in percentages. If it finishes, now that it is done processing, you're going to minimize Canva, and then on your desktop, find where Canva saves those projects. For example, on my PC, I go to computer, and then I choose computer, and then iTV is the name of the disk I'm using, and then I choose users. Again, I choose users. Now it is among the movies. This is the folder where it saves CapCut. I'm seeing now, you can see CapCut. CapCut, user data, projects. Projects, it saves in this com.something draft. As long as you see this com.something editor draft, then open, get to know the name of the project you're working on, because these are different projects. Now come back to Canva, and yes, to CapCut to locate. We can locate the name of the project up here. So the name of the project is 1211 3 in bracket. We bring back 1211 3 in bracket. So this is where our project has been saved. Now you choose resources. After choosing resources, combination. Remember, we did a combination. So there are two clips in that folder, but this one is the one we are taking. We are bringing Canva again, where we import the items, and then we import this video here. After importing it, please come back to the timeline and delete the first video from the timeline. You delete from the timeline. Now you import to the timeline the video that we've just imported from the folder. This video here, Nange Chief, everything that you need. All the
iTV Kumacha, Nange Chief,
features,
iTV,
all the premium features that you selected are in this video. So there you just have to export. Give or name your project, any name you want, wedding video or what, and so much. I'm telling you, that is the easiest way. You will never see any other way of how you can export.
Nange Chief, iTV Kumacha.
Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section.